Welcome to Lesson 9. Today we're going to learn how to greet people. The words we use to greet people: hello, hi, and then we say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. So again, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. And words we use to greet people that we've just met. Say, hello, my name is John. Hi, John. Nice to meet you. My name is Maria. Nice to meet you too, Maria. What do you do? Now remember, when we say what do you do, we mean what is your job, or are you a student? What do you do now? So the answer is I'm a teacher, or I'm a student, or I'm a doctor, or I'm a manager. But for this one, it's I'm a teacher. What do you do, John? I'm a student. I come from America. Where do you come from? I come from China. So let's do that again. Hello, my name is John. Hi, John. Nice to meet you. My name is Maria. Nice to meet you too, Maria. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you do, John? I'm a student. I come from America. Where do you come from? I come from China. So how do we say goodbye? We can say goodbye, bye, bye-bye, see you, take care. Now you say, when do we say good morning? We say good morning from the middle of the night till 12 p.m. And when you say good morning, you say good morning, morning. So here's an example. Morning, would you like some breakfast or would you like some coffee? Because we all have breakfast in the morning, right? And the answer could be, good morning, have you got any plans for today, or any plans for today? And then at 12 o'clock, now it's PM, to 5 PM, we say good afternoon. And we say things like, what a lovely day. People love to talk about the weather. And then from 5 to 9 PM, or 4 or 5 to 9 PM, we say good evening. Have you had a nice day? And that's also when you're going to have your dinner. And then good night. We'll say good night, sleep well, or night night. So let's practice. So what do we say at 6 a.m.? Good morning, good evening, or good night? Good morning. What do we say at bedtime? Good morning, good night, good afternoon, good night. What do we say at 6 p.m.? Good afternoon, good evening, or good night? Tricky, that one. What do you think? Good evening. And what do we say at 1 p.m.? 1 p.m. is about lunchtime, right? So good afternoon, good evening, or good night. It's good afternoon. Now, if someone says, hi, my name's John, you choose the correct option. Do you say, have some lunch? Do you say, hello, my name is Anna? Or do you say good night? Hi, my name is John. Hello, my name is Anna. What do you do? Do you remember what I told you? When you say, what do you do? We're talking about, are you a student or what is your job, right? So you can't say I come from London. I'm a student. I'm Chinese, so it has to be I am a student. And where are you from? I'm a teacher. Do you want some lunch? I'm from China. Well, of course it is. I am from China. Good. So now you can greet somebody, you can say hello, you can say goodbye, good afternoon, good evening. And we look forward to seeing you next time for some routines, what you do in your day. So until then, take care and we'll see you soon.